Balanced scorecard will take into account not only the financial measures but also non-financial measures, which will help the company focusing on not only the short term but also the long term results. The present system of performance measure is not addressing the long term measures, especially the return on capital employed. And because of the present measure, the company is able to satisfy the shareholders by providing stable returns, but unable to satisfy the customers by not delivering what they require, especially the environment friendly electric trains, by not investing in future equipment like less harmful to environment electric power trains. So by using the financial measures like EVA, the company may be able to address the long-term survival of the company. And the present system takes into account the growth of passenger numbers, and due to non-availability of competition, this may not be the correct measure. The company considers customer surveys, which may be subjective in nature, but which is much better than the present measure of growth in passenger numbers. It may find out the reason for customer dissatisfaction and may try to improve if it feels it is reasonable. Due to old equipment, the cost of repairs are high, which are nowhere addressed in the present performance system. But the balanced scorecard will try to help by bringing this into internal processes system, by bringing this using performance measures under internal processes. And finally, to conclude, by improving customer satisfaction, we are able to generate some good returns. Without customer satisfaction, the future returns may not be sustainable. And customer satisfaction can be achieved using learning and improving internal processes. So balanced scorecard will address all these issues and try to improve the performance of the company. So by implementing balanced scorecard, the company may be better able to sustain in future. Otherwise, due to present condition of the company and the policy of the government, because of its unhappiness with the services provided by the present one, it may not be able to sustain in future.